Be there for Melbourne City's first home game in the new year and after the Asian Cup as we face Asian champions, league winners Western Sydney Wanderers on 1st of February 2015. Kick-off at 5 p.m. at Amy Park. Sign up to the official Hyundai A-League e-newsletter, The Weekly Warm-Up, providing the latest news and views on the Hyundai A-League, including video highlights, player profiles, behind-the-scenes content, and much more. It's the perfect way for you to prepare for this weekend's match. Got a beautiful TV, TCL, available at Harvey Norman. City Football Schools return to Melbourne in 2015. Play at a high level at City Football Schools, which features the philosophy and training of the City Football Academy and the best football coaching available for boys and girls from top Manchester City coaches. Clinics will be run from January the 12th to the 23rd and will be held at Mazenod College, Brighton Grammar School and La Trobe University. Visit Melbourne City, including provisions relating to security screening, intoxication, and items that are prohibited by law or restricted by policy from being brought into the venue. Any person who does not comply with this spectator